In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for marketing campaigns step by step so you can save time, sharpen your strategy, and create better content faster. Whether you're running ads, writing emails, planning launches, or just trying to find a stronger angle for your brand, ChatGPT can help you build a smarter marketing workflow. If you find this tutorial useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to use. Once you're in, the real power starts when you stop asking it for random ideas and start using it like a marketing assistant. The first thing you want to do is strategy and market research. Instead of just saying, "Give me marketing ideas," try giving ChatGPT context about your business, your audience, and the problem you solve. For example, you can ask it to identify gaps in your industry, find unique positioning angles, and help you define what makes your offer different. This is where you can work on something often called information gain, which simply means giving people something useful, specific, or new that helps you stand out. Let's say you're marketing to small business owners. You might tell ChatGPT that their primary pain point is a low ad budget. Then you can ask it to suggest a campaign angle, like how to hit 10K MRR with zero ad spend. If you're targeting tech leaders, and their biggest issue is tool fatigue, you can ask for a message like, "The one tool to rule them all integration." The point here is not just to generate slogans, it's to use ChatGPT to uncover the message that will actually connect with the audience. Next, move into content and creative assets. This is where a lot of people go wrong by asking ChatGPT to write one final draft and calling it done. A better approach is to use it to build your campaign architecture. That means letting it help you plan the structure of your content before you write the final version. For example, you can ask it to brainstorm headlines for a specific audience who wants a specific benefit, but is also worried about a specific objection. A prompt like that gives you much stronger output because it mirrors how real people think and buy. You can also use ChatGPT for social media posts, ad variations, landing page hooks, video scripts, and launch messaging. If you want better performance, ask it to generate multiple versions of the same idea, then compare the tone, clarity, and emotional pull. This makes it much easier to test what resonates before you publish anything. Now let's talk about email and automation. ChatGPT is excellent for drafting human-first email sequences that sound natural instead of robotic. You can use it to map out welcome sequences, lead nurture emails, product launch campaigns, cart abandonment emails, and follow-up messages. A great example is asking it to generate curiosity gap subject lines for an abandoned cart email. That gives you several options you can test instead of settling for just one. When writing email campaigns, always give ChatGPT the goal of the email, the audience, and the action you want them to take. For example, you might ask it to write an email for people who visited your site but didn't buy, and you want them to return and complete the purchase. Then ask for a friendly tone, short paragraphs, and clear call to action. This keeps the output focused and much more usable. Another powerful way to use ChatGPT in marketing is for testing and optimization. You can ask it to rewrite headlines in different tones, shorten long copy, make messaging more persuasive, or adapt one campaign for different platforms. For example, a single campaign can be turned into a blog intro, a LinkedIn post, an email subject line, and a paid ad variation. That means you can create more content from one core idea without starting from scratch every time. The best results come when you treat ChatGPT like a collaborator, not just a text generator. Give it context, give it a goal, give it an audience. Then ask it to help you refine your messaging until it feels clear, specific, and persuasive. That's how you turn AI into a real marketing advantage. So to recap, use ChatGPT for marketing campaigns by starting with strategy and research, then moving into campaign architecture, creative assets, email sequences, and optimization. If you follow that workflow, you'll save a lot of time and create much better marketing content. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more ChatGPT tutorials for business and marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.